Jack, Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Jack, Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Jack, Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Beth,
Charlie wants it.
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 Hambleton!
Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Jack, Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Beth,
Charlie wants it.
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 Hambleton!
Beth,
Jack, 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 Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Jack, Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Jack, Jack, Jack,
mellor,
Hambleton!
Jack,
Mellis.
cockpit,
Jack,
Mellis.
cockpit,
Mellis.
cockpit,
Mellis.
cockpit,
Mellis.
cockpit,
Mellis.
cockpit, as well.
Jack,
Mellis.
Cockpit,
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 Jack,
Mellis.
aeroplane.
Mella baby, ooh, mella, 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 mella baby. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Call my baby Mella, yo. Tell me why. His kiss is sweeter than a cherry pie. Ba-dum, bum. When he does the shit, man, I haven't got a chance. I call him Mella, baby, ooh, mella, 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 mella baby. Dum, 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 dum. You like animals, you like Neil, you like NeilErotica.com for all your Neil shagging animal needs. Just go to www.neilerotica.co.uk to witness the fantastic Neil visits Antarctica. Neil goes to Knowsley Safari Park. Neil visits the jungle. All free when you join www.neilerotica.co.uk.
Are you black? Are you from London? Are you an illegal immigrant? Well, here in Buxton, we have one. Sam Sessions cannot be named, but we care. Call our local exterminators today on 09001331. Thank you.
Have you been shit on recently? By a bird, a gull, a seagull, a blue-tit, any kind of bird. At school, at work. Charlie Mycock has. He was shit on at school. Everyone threw his shoes over the fence because he was shit on by a bird. But that is not the only reason. He knows the reason. Buy your local bird a nappy. A bird nappy. Available at all Buxton pet stores. Thank you.
Do you have a stupidly squeaky voice? Jordan Carrington, we're looking at you. Is it you, in fact, whom let the dogs out because they were running away from how squeaky your voice was? Well, come to us, and we'll give you treatment for your squeaky voice. Can't guarantee we'll help, but we'll punch you till it hurts. Thank you.